This goes out to Ms. Blazik, the best teacher at TAF, keeping it 100 since day uno. Yeah. For the area of the square, you have to square one of the sides. The parallelograms, these are things to multiply the base times height. And the simple and the circles need the pi times the radius squared to get the area right. Now for the trapezoid, we have to divide the height and multiply the addition of the bases. Yeah, that's one of the bases to the simple math equation. This is no joke, you think I'm playing? No, yeah. And I'm telling you the truth, square's area equals s square root. Also, rhombuses are kind of the same, yeah. And I'm telling you, pay attention, this is lame, yeah. You gotta learn this throughout high school because you're gonna go to college soon, yeah. So stay focused in class and you won't regret that, yeah, you passed. Regular polygon. Use one of the formulas to find the area. Yeah, it is half of the perimeter multiplied by the hypotenuse. It gets easier. Yeah, the kite and rhombuses have one thing in common, but kinda makes me vomit. Yeah, you have to divide them in half to find the area of the triangle. It's not whack. Yeah, you gotta learn all of this because it's gonna help you through college. You know, Ms. Blazik is the best, and I hope she gives us an A on this project. And I'm telling you the truth, square's area equals s square root. Also, rhombuses are kind of the same, and I'm telling you, pay attention, this isn't lame. Yeah, you gotta learn this throughout high school because you're gonna go to college soon. Yeah, so stay focused in class and you won't regret that. Yeah, you passed. To Ms. Blazik. Yeah. Best at Taft.
Times height. The formula for that is area equals parentheses base times height. To find the area of a circle, you simply multiply pi times r, which is the radius, squared. So that comes out to pi r squared. Finding the area of a parallelogram is not like finding the area of a square. It's the same formula. Area equals parentheses base times height. Except in this case, the height is not found in the length, but rather in side. That's the height, that's the base. So the area of a trapezoid is also A equals base times height. Except there's two bases, base 1 and base 2. And this, of course, is the height. So that formula is A equals 1/2. Remember, 1/2 height times base 1 plus base 2. So the area of a triangle is 1/2 base times height. So that's our height, and that's our base. So our formula is A equals 1/2 base times height.
The area of general polygons is A equals 1/2 times a polygon times perimeter. The area of a rhombus is 1 times D2, which is should be right here, and divided by 2.
Perimeter, it takes a long way round because it measures till the sides are found. So take the numbers and add them up or down, and now you've got the perimeter. All around the edge is something if you walk or if you're running. Just add up the sides you see to get the perimeter to be circumference. The distance around the earth, circumference measures around an object earth. And here's the secret, there's yet another, where circumference is peri-peri.
So 5 is circumference, pi times diameter, or 2 times pi, and times the diameter, or 2 times pi. And times the radius, so pick your preference, but just don't make a fuss, because both will find the circumference.
Now circumference we are doing. It's a circle for our viewing. We can just go round and round, cause never is the bound. The area. Well, when you measure it, you're just gonna multiply the length times the width. So just remember it. That's when you're measuring the length times width, area equals.
The area is found by multiplying length and width. Keep on trying so you know it's fun to see what area will always be. For volume, it's length times width times height. You just multiply and get it all right. Yeah, when you need volume, well, just don't get uptight. It's length times width times height.
Oh, the volume means what is contained inside a container. It's so plain to see that length times width times height is what will make your answer right.
Okay, so when you measure, make sure you're accurate because it's important to not get in a rut of sloppy habits and just enjoy the pure pleasure of math measurements.